How do people use language to build, manage, and manipulate other people's trust? Trust is often described as the glue that holds society together, helping us feel safe, connected, and more willing to cooperate with others. But trust also makes us vulnerable to those who might exploit it for their own gain. To explore this, we look at one of the most famous corporate scandals in history, the Enron fraud. Enron was once one of the world's largest and most admired energy companies. But in the early 2000s, that success story collapsed. The company had been hiding massive debts and inflating its profits through fraudulent accounting practices, misleading investors and regulators. But the misconduct didn't stop there. Enron's West Power division, which managed the company's energy trading operations on the US West Coast, manipulated California's electricity markets, exploiting flaws in the state's deregulated system. These actions boosted Enron's profits, but also contributed to one of the worst energy crises in US history, leaving California with rolling blackouts, soaring prices, and lasting economic damage. Our study examines how Enron traders built and managed the trust of clients, partners, and regulators as they manipulated electricity prices. We do so by looking at a unique, previously unexplored collection of over 500 real-life calls that were transcribed and used in the legal proceedings against the company. We make two original contributions through this work. First, we provide a new linguistically grounded framework for analyzing how speakers manage trust in conversation. We showcase this framework through a detailed analysis of the Enron case, but it can also be applied to a wide range of interactional contexts in both forensic settings and beyond. Our analysis offers fresh insights into not only how Enron used language to secure cooperation from key stakeholders and cover its tracks, but also more broadly into how large-scale corporate wrongdoing develops and the critical role that language plays in making it possible.